Hello everyone. Today we will try to see how to get registered for NPTEL courses through Swayam web portal. So first we need to know what is this NPTEL. So NPTEL is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. So this NPTEL is it is started with the help of IIT Madras. Correct. So along with this IIT Madras, there are all the IITs and IISc is included in this NPTEL online teaching. So with the help of this NPTEL online teaching, the students or the learners are able to assess the high quality study material which are presented by the eminent professors of IITs and IISc. So with the help of this, student can learn the study material from the comfort of his own home. So there are more than 1000 courses are available in different engineering streams, also in humanitarian and also on basic science and personality development and other categories. There are more than 1000 courses are there. Also there are more than 20,000 video lecturers are there. 20,000 hours of video lecture is there. So in the beginning, in the starting, to assess this NPTEL, we need to go for http nptel.ac.in. But nowadays, this NPTEL is we can assess this NPTEL with the help of Swayam web portal. Correct? So how to go for that Swayam web portal and how to get yourself registered to that Swayam web portal and how to assess the different courses that we are going to see. Correct? So after completion of this course, what you are going to get? So after completion of this course, we will get a certificate like this. So it will having the name of the student and which course he has attended. Also, we will be getting the percentage marks, whatever he has scored, and in percentage marks they are going to tell us in assignment how much marks you got and in the examination how much marks you got. Then there will be signature of the coordinator as well as chairman, and this institute logo, it will be from what institute you are going to get certified, because there are many courses are there which are offered by IIT Bombay, some courses are offered by IIT Madras, some are by IISc. So whatever the institute is offering that course, that institute logo will be over here and they are going to display the institute name. Along with that, if you score more than 75%, then you will be getting a silver medal over here and you will be getting here elite. And if you score more than 90% of the marks, then you will be getting a gold medal over here, and elite will be there. If you score more than 60% of the marks, then you will be getting elite certificate. Then along with that, if you score more than 75%, then you will be getting a silver medal. If you score more than 90%, then you will be getting a gold medal. Correct? So this is how you are going to get. And consider if you are having an 8-week course, then there will be 8 assignments will be there. For each week there will be 1 assignment, and in that 8 assignments, the best of 6 assignments will be taken for this online assignment. Okay, the marks of best 6 assignments is taken for the marks for online assignment, and it will be evaluated for 40 marks. It will be evaluated for 40 marks. So remaining 60 marks you need to take a examination, physical examination, that will be online mode only, and that the NPTEL is going to tell in which places you can attend the examination. Correct? So now we will see how to get registered for this and what are the courses on offer for this semester. So you can see here, these are the different courses we are having. So you can see here. So there are total 40 courses are there. I think 44 courses are there. So this course list I already sent you as an WhatsApp message. So please go through that one. So you can see here some courses are of 12 weeks and some courses are of 8 weeks. Some courses are of 8 weeks, and also there are some courses of 4 weeks also. You can see. So see here, this course is of 4 weeks. Correct? And also they have mentioned here the examination course starting date, exam date and course end date. Okay, course starting date means from July 20th, no, the videos will be appearing in your portal. Okay, that portal I will show. And this course is for which category of student? For UG student or PG student, that also they are mentioned here. Correct? So please go through the message whatever I have sent you. So now we will see how to get registered for this NPTEL course through Swayam. So first you need to type here swayam.gov.in, that is swayam.gov.in. This link is also given in the description, so you can go through the description and you can click on the link. So once you go through the when you click on the link, no, you will get with this Swayam web portal. So here you can see about Swayam is there, all courses is there, national coordinators, local chapters, course category, and sign in or register. So if you are not registered yet, then you can click over here register. So once you click on the register, so here it is going to ask, so whether you want to register with Microsoft account, that already every student of VDIT is having a Microsoft account, that account you can use. Otherwise you can sign in through Google, that is by using your Gmail ID, also you can log in. Otherwise by using a Facebook also you can register. So assume that you don't have all these three, you don't have Google account, Facebook account or Microsoft account, then you can go for sign up. So if you go for sign up, no, then you can write your any email ID, whatever email ID you are having, no, Rediff or Yahoo, correct? So different email IDs you are having, you can register your username, password confirmation and email ID, then you can create. But I think everybody will be having a Google account, so you can click on this Google. So when you click on Google, you will be getting this information. So here I am having many accounts, so all the accounts are showing here. So assume that this is my account. With this account I am going to register. So click on this email ID, so whichever email ID you are having, or type your Google email ID. Okay, you can type your Google email ID also here, correct? Otherwise what you can do, you can simply go for whatever account you are having. So for example, I will consider this account, so I will click on this, then automatically it will get signed in. So once you get signed in, then go to this course catalog. So in course catalog, go for engineering and technology. So in engineering technology, please select this electrical, electronics and communication engineering. So once you click that, so you will be getting all the courses which are available over there. So you can see here all the courses whichever I have mentioned, no, 44 courses. So all the 44 courses are available over here. So whichever course you want, just click on that. For example, assume that I want to get registered for this one, analog electronic circuit. So here also you can see, if I want to register for advances in UHV, transmission and distribution, so you can see it is done by Professor Subba Reddy and it is through IISc. It is 8-week course, starts at 20 July 2020, exam date is 27th September, enrollment ends at 27th July. Similarly, if I want to go for this is by IIT Kanpur. It is 8 weeks. Similarly, if I want to go for analog electronic circuits, it is done by IIT Delhi and it is 12-week course. Correct? For example, let us assume that I want to join for this course. So click on this course. Then this dialog box will be open and here you can see what are the course content. So in this you are going to learn about nonlinear circuit analysis. So what all things they are going to discuss in 12 weeks. Then there is a bio data of the instructor. Also they will tell, see here, the 25% of the marks, initially I have told no 40%, no, 25% of the marks is taken from 8 assignments. Actually for 12 weeks, no, you will be having 12 assignments will be there. So in which best 8 will be taken to give us an internal assessment marks or the online assignment marks. Remaining 75% will be from the examination. That examination will be once again online mode and they will tell in which cities we are having centers. Correct? You will be eligible only for 25 marks. Now, if you score more than 10 marks, then only you will be eligible to write the answer. And in examination for 75%, there will be examination, 25 marks will be for the online assignment. On online assignment for 25 marks you should be getting minimum 10 marks, and from your examination, online examination, for 75 marks you should be getting minimum 30 marks. So total you should be getting 40 marks, 10 marks from this assignment and 30 marks from the online examination. So 10 plus 30, if you get 40 marks, then you will be getting a certificate. You will be getting a certificate that will tell that you have completed the course. If you fail to get 10 marks in the assignment, no, then you will not be allowed to write the examination. So this is the certificate you are going to get. So here you can register. That part will take when you go for the examination. Now, so if I am satisfied with this course, if I want to register for this course, then you can click here, join. So you can see already there are 5004 members are joined for this course. So click here. So once you click over there, no, then it is going to ask your information. Correct? So just fill in your information. So I will write here my name. I will write my name, then I will write my mobile number. I will write my mobile number. Then email ID by default it will take. So which age group you are going to belong? So most of you will belong for what? 20 to 30 or 13 to 20. Okay. So select your age group. Select your age group. Then country, it is nothing but India. Select India. Then profession, you are a student, so select student. If somebody is faculty member or employed or other, you can select that thing. So most of you will be students, so select students. And in highest qualification, if you are in third year of bachelor degree, select third year. That is, if you are in 7th sem or 8th sem, then select fourth year. If you are in 5th or 6th semester, then select third year of bachelor's degree. Then graduation year of graduation. So it depends. If you are in 6th semester, 6th to 7th semester if you are going, then it will be 21. Graduation year will be 21. If you are in if you are going for 5th, 6th semester, then the graduation year will be 2022. Like that you can select your graduation year. Then the part of a Swayam local chapter, yes, because our college is part of Swayam local chapter. Then select state as Karnataka. Here college, you select, you just type KLS. So otherwise you can select here KLS. You can select here KLS Vishwanath Rao Deshpande Rural Institute of Technology. So you can see here, correct? So select KLS Vishwanath Rao Deshpande Institute of Technology, Haliyad, correct? Then roll number or USN, you can type here 2VD, whatever USN you are having, no, type that one. Degree, you are doing BE degree. Department, you can select electrical and electronics engineering, but there is no electrical and electronics engineering stream is not there in the list. So select electrical engineering. Year, if you are in third year, select third year. If you are in fourth year, select fourth year. If you are in second year, select second year. So most of you will be in third year. So select third year. Then click on agree for Swayam terms and condition. Agree for the honor code. Then click on save. Click on save. Then your course will be saved. Your course will be saved. So for example, I will, because this is not my original ID, so I am actually going through this ID. So once you select that, so that will be available over here. So you can go through this one. So here once you click, you can go for my courses. So in my courses you can see whatever courses you have registered, correct? If you are registered, it will appear over here. Then you can click on go to course to assess the course material. You can go to this course and you can see. Once course starts, no, here you will be getting course week 1 videos, week 2 videos, week 3 videos, like that the videos will be appearing. Correct? So this is how you can go for registering for NPTEL courses. Also one more thing you can do, so you can select one course or 2 courses. So according to the instructions what we have received, so minimum you need to select 2 courses, and with the help of that 2 courses the total weeks should be minimum 16 hours. So you can go for 2 8 weeks, 1 12 weeks, 1 4 weeks, or 1 12 weeks, 1 8 weeks. So any combination you can get, and minimum number of weeks of 2 courses should be 16. Correct? So you can go for 8 8 or 12 and 4. Also you can go for 12 12 also, there is no problem. And if you register for course registration, the course registration is free of cost, but if you want to appear for examination, then you need to pay a nominal fee for the examination. Correct? So I hope you understood how to get registered for this NPTEL course. So the Swayam link is given in the description. Please click on that link and you can register. Thank you for watching the video.